Dear friends, during this lockdown, especially we must have to give importance to our health. So I'll show you the benefits of Garudasana right now in the YouTube. You can see. Dear friends, you might have seen this poster is known to be called as Garudasana or the eagle posture. One by one, I will show the steps, and we shall try our level best to practice at home during this lockdown. Friends, you might have seen here. This poster is known to be called as Garudasana or eagle posture. It has lots of health benefits in our day-to-day life, especially for male reproductive organs, and for female reproductive organs it is very good for them. Process you might have seen. First of all, you should stand in Tadasana or in stand straight, and then raise your left legs. You might have seen in the below posture, and raise your both hands sideward and slowly make it akimbo position over here. Cross both the hands and legs with each other and then stay for 30 seconds. It is also called Latasana. It is like creepers, or it is called Garudasana eagle pose. You might have seen from the back side. At first you stand straight and then raise your both hands sideward, and then slowly raise your left legs or right legs, chest up, body straight, your chin up, and then your hips and your all parts of the body should be normal. Keep normal breathing, and slowly you make it cross the legs which is straight. Now see from the opposite side how I am doing it. Okay, see the lower portion how I am doing it. Now you stay for 30 seconds or 1 minute. This asana is very tough to keep the balance. It is at home every day, so it has lots of health benefits. So I would like to tell you the benefits of this Garudasana. It stretches the thigh, hips, upper back and shoulder and our calf muscles. It is good for the flexibility in hips, legs and back. It relieves pain, and it is good for the sciatica also. It also balances the whole body, and it is good for the concentration. It is also known to be called as the stress booster, right? It is good for the kidneys. It is good for the female reproductive organs and good for the male reproductive organs. It is good for concentration and urinary problems, right? Everything is possible under hard work, so regular practice of these asanas can make you master on it. So I would like to suggest you that you should not practice these asanas if you are suffering from elbow injuries, knee injuries, ankle injuries, or you are suffering from severe knee pain, and if you are having arthritis, you should not practice. After practicing these asanas, you should sit in Vajrasana or in Sasangasana, and then you inhale deeply and exhale deeply, and then you slowly raise up and relax, right? Friends, today I am too much sweating, after lots of physical fitness training, that means doing yoga and running and all. So every day 2 hours I am doing early in the morning and in the evening. So it is very important part of our life. No fitness, no health, no wealth. And no wealth, no money, no richness. So if you want to be healthy and wealthy, you should do physical fitness. And especially during this lockdown, we have no any work at home, and we have no schools or colleges and offices, so better to do fitness at home.